Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shweta Razi and I'm from ED246YA. And today I would like to talk about iPad Air 4 generation. So, what is iPad Air 4? iPad Air 4 is a device that designed by Apple to make people easier to do many things in only one device. Okay, as we know, nowadays people don't want to bother themselves to spend a lot of money and do 2 to 3 things at a time, right? So, for example, like someone want to use only one device, which is a smartphone, but he want to settle a job or assignment that require a laptop because he want to use Words or PowerPoint or anything else, but he need to buy a laptop. Since he want to use the phone, so it's very difficult for him to do work. So he need to spend more money to buy a laptop. In addition, there are also those who want to watch a movie in a Netflix or in IKEA or something, but have a vision problem. So he want to watch it in a bigger screen like TV and something, a laptop like that, and want to watch movie when he is bored, like in the train, in the room, and in the car. So it's impossible to bring a TV into the train, room, and car because the TV is very big and it's impossible to carry into the train or room and car. And also he has a vision problem, so he don't want to watch in the phone because it isn't best, because it's small, because since the size of the phone is small, so it's quite impossible to bring a TV into train, room, and car, and so on. Then there are also those who want to make notes for the subject they have studied but don't want to bring a lot of book and a lot of paper. In addition to bring note in the paper, you also need to photocopy the notes, so it is a bit tedious for an individual. So, what do we need to do to settle this issue? So, here we have an iPad Air 4 generation that can do these 3 things in one device only. iPad Air 4 can be a phone, laptop, and mini TV too. It can be a phone because it can call, message, and call and message like a smartphone can do. Okay, I like to talk about point 1 that I have said, when people don't like to use 2 or 3 devices in one time. So this iPad Air 4 is the size of laptop and can be used as a laptop because it can connect with a mouse and a keyboard. You can also open apps such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and so on, and like a laptop, it's truly like a laptop. Okay, this iPad also can be a TV with a relatively large screen size compared to phone. It's small from TV and you can bring anywhere, and it's not too small like a phone. It will be clearer and more satisfying to watch the movie. No need to worry if you get bored in the train, because with the size of this iPad, which is not as big as a TV, it can be taken anywhere and just put inside the bag, or you can hold it like this. Lastly, this iPad can also make notes, where this iPad can use a stylus pencil and work like a book, like this. As I show, this is how I make the notes. I don't have to photocopy the notes given by the lecturer and make notes. I just need to download them and then make a note without spending money for photocopy. Okay, so this iPad Air is very good for those who don't like to carry 2 or 3 devices anywhere, because it can be 3-in-1 device, which is phone, laptop, and mini TV. So here is my explanation for this iPad Air 4, and thank you for lending your ears to hear my explanation about this iPad Air 4 generation.